Warning, this is an immediate emergency alert broadcast system in the request of the National Anomaly Containment Team. At 5:34 p.m. Standard Filipino Time, the NACT Space Management Organization has detected a strange object landing near a farm located in Luzon City. The Filipino Army has been dispatched as something came out of the object and began attacking nearby citizens, tearing their limbs and mutilating their bodies until death. We have gathered information for the creature with the help of our science research facilities. The NACT organization named the creature Anomaly 8000, a creature with a huge white head that has an impossible grin that the facial structure couldn't handle. It has a thin dark-like body and can speak in a somewhat robotic voice. All citizens of the Philippines, you are required to
cover yourself in soul.
Lock your doors and keep a weapon with you that's blunt, ranged, or sharp. Await further military instructions to handle your surroundings. Do not trust anyone. Do not let anyone inside your vicinity. You have 5 hours to gather your family and plan for your safety before the Anomaly 8000 arrives. If you encounter the anomaly, run as fast as you can or defend yourself using your weapon. The President has declared a state of martial law to further organize the problem. This is a direct order from the President. Any citizens that show signs of aggressive behavior towards military personnel will be considered as part of the anomaly and will be shot on sight. Stay in your house. May God be with you.
Step 1. I found your planet. Step 2. I found your country. Now that I am here, pray for your God to come save you. You will be dead by the time he gets here.